action. Let's continue. Yeah.
Oh boy, oh boy.
Lights, camera, action.
Hello everyone, my name is Rina and welcome back to my channel. I'm glad you're here. Lately I've been into creating short form content like shorts, reels, TikToks and all of the kind. And for today I plan to make lots of videos and I thought I'd just take you guys with me. Starting with a quick tip for you: if you want a good lighting but you don't have fancy equipment, use a window. But make sure to close the curtains almost completely, leaving one solid ray of light. Oh boy, oh boy. If you think the camera doesn't matter, it does. Because right now I'm filming with my old phone and the quality is not quality, it's like ew. And this is my new phone and look, the quality, it makes the exact picture like I wanted to have, like the beautiful lighting on my face. Don't go away. And like dark background. And this phone, it doesn't do it, you know? I already prepared my setting and now let's just shoot a video. And right now I'm sitting on my table because I need this background and just let's continue. You know, even if I'm okay with the take, I still will do one or two more just in case. Because what if I can do better? The problem is then when I take a lot of good takes, I can choose one. Anyway, but I think it's good. I don't like how my hair looks like. What, they are so dry today. Like, why today? Also, I have so many breakouts. My voice is cracking. Like, does it have to be today when I plan to film so many videos? For the next video, I changed my hairstyle just a little bit and added some props. Now, we just continue. Camera 1, camera 2, action! Yeah, passed. This good take. Let's go do the next one. How is it called when you like blur, blush, smudge? This is the word. I talked like for 5 minutes and then I will have to cut it for like 1 minute maybe. Yeah. The thing is, sometimes I need time to think what I want to say, and sometimes I redo the take, so obviously it takes longer. But when I cut it, it's like really nice and short. Okay, next one. Oops, I started to make in the video, but I forgot to press the record button here, so yeah, we just started in the middle of this. I guess. But the thing is, this phone doesn't have a very high quality camera now, but it makes it so dramatic, so grungy, you know? I kinda like it. Honestly, I have no idea how it turned out. Let's take a look real quick. As always, I was recording here, but I forgot to press the record button here. But anyways, I just filmed a little bit more explanation, so I will just add it into the video. Okay, let's do the next one. Now I'm gonna use this background and I'm gonna do something more with acting. Let's go.
Lights, camera, action.
If I'm not the queen of first takes, then I don't know who I am. Well, I am certainly not, but I definitely like the first take, but just in case I'm gonna make one or two more to see if I'm capable of something better. Not bad, not bad, not bad. I like it so far. You know, sometimes there are days when everything is so smooth, so good,
the first try. And sometimes there are days that no matter how hard you try, it's just not coming out the way you want. Yeah. Yeah, I think I should stop because then I will have to choose one, but there are many good ones and it's hard to choose one, so let's stop here. And now I'm gonna change again because I sort of play two different characters and it's easier when you have two different outfits. It's always funny to me to make videos because here I have my makeup, I have my outfit, I have my jewelry even, but here it's just my comfort pants and slippers that are not even fit into the whole outfit. Yeah, that's the vibes. Now on to the part 2 of the same video. I also want to change the angle. Yeah, that's good one, that's good one. Let's move on. There are, I don't know, 3 more videos I have to think. I don't know. I changed again. Let's continue. Yeah. One before that one, it was good, so let's continue. Now we need more props. I need to find the sound.
Beyonce. You are Beyonce.
I mean, this take is actually really good, but do I do another one? Yeah. Just, better safe than sorry. Yeah, I should not be so greedy, right? Wait, are we done? Let me check. But I think I found everything. I bought this. I found everything already so fast. So just to draw a picture for you, sometimes I might take up to 3 hours to make one, 10 seconds video. And right now I took, I don't know, what time? Yeah. And right now it took me 2 hours to make 8 videos. Today is definitely the day. I'm going to clean this little mess I made and then I'm gonna edit the videos, but it's so boring for you to watch, so I'm not gonna record it, and maybe I'll catch with you guys later. This is the raw material I'm gonna work with. It's not that much actually. I also got myself some ice cream to cool down, and now onto the editing.
6 hours later.
I'm done editing the videos. Here they are. So if you're interested in the results, feel free to follow me on YouTube. I will upload those videos on YouTube Shorts, but unfortunately due to time limit on YouTube Shorts, I will not be able to post all the videos there. So if you are interested in all of the videos, feel free to join me on Instagram or TikTok. I think that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this little backstage. Create and enjoy. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!